To customize your lock screen in Honor X7D, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to click on Home Screen and Style, and then we can click on Lock Screen Style right here. Next step is to pick a wallpaper. So you can choose whichever wallpaper you like for your lock screen. You can go for a custom one from your gallery or any official ones or more in the Themes app. Now, when you selected your wallpaper, next step is to enter our lock screen style like this. Then we can drag and move our wallpaper however we like. Go back, and there's a few more options. First one is a clock, which allows you to customize a font for your clock. You can change the font to whatever you like, and then you can pick a different color for it as well. Next thing that you can do is shortcuts. Click on the plus button or a shortcut in the bottom or right corner, and then you can add and customize those shortcuts. When you're ready, click on Done and your new lock screen wallpaper will apply. And the last thing that you can do here is go down, click on lock screen signature, and then you can add or remove text from your lock screen. So you can type in your name or whatever you like, and if you lock your device, you will see your brand new lock screen like this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.